First and foremost, let me shout out my cousin for painting me bold and brash. Like, she painted me bold and brash forever ago, but like I just feel like he's just there and I need to, just point him out. So shout out to you, girl. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. As you may already know, there are so many different ways that you can detangle your hair, and in this video I am going to be talking about 3 of them. If you guys haven't already, make sure you go and watch this video where I go into detail on how I am able to cut down on my detangling time, because I know detangling is one of the biggest things that people with curly and with natural hair kind of not suffer from. Well, yeah, suffer from, because it's suffering when I have to tangle my hair, but I guess the biggest thing people have a problem with. So if that's one of your biggest problems, make sure to go and watch that video and hopefully the tips help. Now, the first method that I want to talk to you guys about is finger detangling, which I feel is the recommended way to detangle your hair, which is a big plus, because I feel like mostly everybody will tell you to detangle your hair with your fingers, especially when you're starting out, because 1, you're a lot more gentler with your hair when you are finger detangling, and 2, you can feel the knots better because you're literally raking your fingers through your hair, so you can feel when there's a knot a lot easier. And going in with that, you can also feel when your hair needs more conditioner, because like I said before, you're literally running your fingers through your hair, so not only can you feel the knots, but you can feel when your hair is needing more moisture. And since you're being more gentle, you're also pulling less, which means you're going to be losing and breaking off a lot less hair. Now, what I don't like about finger detangling personally, like this might not be the same for other people, but for me personally, I don't like how time consuming it is when I finger detangle my hair. Maybe it's because I'm not doing it right, maybe I don't have the right conditioner, maybe I'm just not patient, which I know I'm not patient, especially with my hair, but I don't like finger detangling for the fact that it just takes me so long to actually finish detangling my hair. Not only that, but the hair that you guys are shedding, it's gonna come off on your fingers. So like I don't like the feeling of like wet hair on my fingers. Like I hate having to like take it all off, so that's like a huge like no for me. Moving on to the next method of detangling, I'm going to be talking about detangling with a wide tooth comb. And you can pretty much get a wide tooth comb anywhere. You can get it at Walmart, you can get it at any beauty supply store, but if you guys want to try one that is kind of like the one that I have, if you want, I don't know, I'll leave a link down below so you guys can go ahead and buy it. But I feel like everyone pretty much has a wide tooth comb in their house, even if they don't use it, but I'll just put it in the description box below just in case you guys want to buy it. Now, I feel like detangling with a wide tooth comb is like the second recommended way of detangling your hair, right below finger detangling, because I feel like a lot of people don't really finger detangle with their hair. They usually will do it with a wide tooth comb. And I like detangling with a wide tooth comb because 1, I don't get hair on my fingers, I get it on the comb, so that's a big plus. But also I feel like with a wide tooth comb, I just feel like, at least for me personally, I kind of am able to detangle my hair a little bit faster because I am able to be a little more rough with my hair. Now, I know I shouldn't be rough with my hair, I know, but who in their right mind is not being even a little rough with their hair? I'll wait. Exactly. But I will say that I do lose a decent amount of hair when I detangle with a wide tooth comb, because I am, being more rough, which means my hair kind of breaks off a little bit more easy. I lose more hair, and I'm kind of okay with it. I really just use it when I want to be in and out of the shower. Any other times I'll figure out another way. Now, the third method of detangling that I want to talk about is detangling with a brush, and that means pretty much any brush that you have. a Denman brush, a wet brush, maybe the Detangler brush, which by the way, if you guys haven't already watched my video on what I think about the Easy Detangler brush, go ahead and watch that, because I said some things on there about a brush that I thought I would never say. What I like about detangling with a brush is that my hair is so super defined when I do it, and for some reason it also looks a lot more shiny. Like, I don't know how, but my hair is defined. It's very, like, the curls are clumped together and I have more shine somehow. I don't know, but it works. I also have a lot less frizz when I detangle with a brush, which is great because frizziness is one of like my biggest problems. So I know if I want definition, if I want shine, and if I want no frizz, I definitely go with a brush. My biggest, like, not concern, but my biggest, I guess, pet peeve when I detangle with a brush is the shrinkage. The amount of shrinkage that I get when I detangle with a brush is insane. I hate it so much. Like, I know with my hair, if I'm gonna have defined curls, I'm gonna get shrinkage, so I expect it, but I feel like every single time I try to use a brush, I'm thinking that somehow the shrinkage isn't gonna be as bad, and it's always as bad. Now, if you guys want to go try out a brush, I'm going to leave links down below for a Denman brush, a wet brush, and an Easy Detangler brush. So all in all, if you want a more gentle way to detangle your hair and you don't really mind kind of having all the hair on your fingers, then your best bet is finger detangling. If you kind of just want to be in and out of the shower and you don't mind losing a little bit more hair than usual, then you should detangle with a white tooth comb. If you want less frizz, more definition, and you don't mind some shrinkage, then I would go with detangling with a brush. Now, if you guys haven't already, please make sure to subscribe to my channel, because I am trying to get to 500 subscribers by the end of the year. And make sure to like this video and leave a comment down below which way you prefer to detangle your hair. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video, and enjoy these bloopers. Bye. Y'all are seeing me in my scrubs like a girl just got out of work, and I'm trying to look how long this just piece of hair is. Like, why are you an overachiever? I don't, whatever. Now, if you guys didn't already, make sure to go watch this video where I explain to you guys how I am able to cut down on my detangling time. Just to kind of go into this video, no, that doesn't make any sense. That didn't make any sense, did it? You will detangle your hair, which I guess is a big pro, because pretty much everyone will tell you to detangle your hair with your finger. Are you done? Are you done? Are you done? And now you, oh my god, this is why I can't live in a city, because I just can never record anything because there's always noises everywhere. Now, the first method that I want to talk to you guys, excuse me, oh my god. Not only that, but the fingers, I almost said the fingers that shed. I really hope you guys are not sharing. Oh my god. Oh, you know what? I'm just gonna end this here. I feel like there's always someone dying where I live, because there's always an ambulance. And it never stops. If you got the third way I want to talk about, no, I'm not talking different ways. This doesn't make any sense. This is okay, listen, this is like the fifth, sixth time I've tried to record this video, and this is going to be the last time. If this doesn't work out, I'm not putting this up. It's not happening.